How are you all? This video is presented by ThoughtFlows, a #1 medical coding training academy.
In this session, we are going to discuss about spinal surgeries, which is one of the complex topic in 2 series, and we'll make it easy with our models. In this session, we'll see what is orthodesis, what are the types of bone grafting, and how they'll fix the spinal instrumentation.
Before going to the main topic, we will see some basic terms. The first one is vertebral column. This is also called as backbone or spine, that is made up of vertebrae. This column houses the spinal cord. The vertebrae in the human vertebral column are divided into different regions like cervical consists of 7 vertebrae, thoracic consists of 12 vertebrae, lumbar consists of 5 vertebrae, sacrum consists of 5 fused 1 vertebra, coccyx consists of 4 fused 1 vertebra. All together will have 26 vertebrae. And coming to the intervertebral disc that lies between adjacent vertebral segments, each disc allows slight movement of the vertebra.
Now we'll see what are the common disorders of the spine. Coming for the scoliosis, it is an abnormal curvature of the spine in an S or C shape. And the next is kyphosis, also called as round back or humpback, is a condition in which the spine in the upper back has an excessive curvature. And lordosis, it is an inward curvature of the lumbar spine. And coming for the disc disorders like degenerative disc disease, is an age-related condition that happens when one or more of the discs between the vertebrae of the spinal cord deteriorates or breaks down, which leads to pain. Likewise, we have herniated disc. It is also called as a bulging disc, is a fragment of the disc that is pushed into the spinal cord.
Now we will see what is arthrodesis and how the codes are classified into. First of all, arthro means joint and desis means fusion. It is a surgical procedure also called as joint fusion to hold a joint in a fixed position. To code for arthrodesis, the first thing we have to check is the type of approaches. We are having 3 types of approaches here. The first one is anterior, means the surgeon will do the surgery from front side of the body, and the codes for anterior approach is 225482 22586. And next one is posterior approach, which means back side of the body, and the codes for posterior approach is 225902 22634. And coming to lateral approach, that means sides of the body, and lateral approach is having the code sets of 225322 22534.
We'll discuss coding guidelines now. For example, if a surgeon done orthodesis in posterior approach, here the codes are classified according to the type of vertebra. And the code 22600 we are take for cervical location, and for thoracic 610 and for lumbar 612. For each additional space we are take the add-on code, which is 22614. For an instance, orthodesis done on L1 to L4 vertebra, which is posterior approach. We need to check how many interspace lies between this vertebra. So here 3 spaces are there in between L1, L2 and L2, L3, L3 and L4. So the answer is 22612 for lumbar region, first interspace, and for 2 extra spaces we are take the add-on code 614 into 2. Likewise, you check for orthodesis. And so we are check for the key points that we need to check while coding orthodesis. The first thing is type of approach, and the next is vertebra. We are checking which vertebra they are doing the surgery, like cervical, thoracic or lumbar. And the last key point is we are checking number of vertebral segments.
And next topic is bone grafting. A bone graft is a surgical procedure used to fix problems with bones or joints. Types of the bone grafts are autograft and allograft. Coming to autograft, it is a piece of the bone that comes within the patient's body, such as ribs, hips, pelvis or wrist. And then allograft, which uses a bone from a deceased donor or a cadaver donor that has been cleaned and stored in a tissue bank. On other hand, in coding, we also see like structural graft or morcelized graft. A structural graft is a bigger piece of bone, whereas a mercialized means a smaller piece of a bone or a paste of the bone prepared for grafting purpose. Coming to the coding guidelines, for allograft, if it is a morcellized graft means use the code 20930, and if it is structural means use 20931. For autograft, for morcellized 20936 and 20937, and for structural 20938. And we should not append 62 modifier with bone grafting. These are commonly used bone grafting for spinal surgeries.
We'll see the sample scenarios now. Here the patient is coming with degenerative disc disease and doctor performed orthodesis from L3 to L5. Along with he taken a morcellized autograft. So we had to check for both orthodesis and bone grafting. So we had to give the codes 22612 for L3 to L4 interspace and 22614 for L4 to L5 interspace, and for grafting we have to take the code 20937. Hope you got an idea about orthodesis and grafting. So we'll move to spinal instrumentation. So spinal instrumentation is classified into two types. One is segmented and one is non-segmented instrumentation. Coming for non-segmented instrumentation, it's attached to the spine at 2 points only, whereas segmental instrumentation attaches 3 or more points to the spine.
Coming to the coding guidelines, the spinal instrumentation all are add-on codes, and we need to check for how many vertebral segments have been given instrumentation. For example, for posterior approach, if 3 to 6 segments means we have to use the code 22842, and 7 to 12 means 22843, and finally 13 or more vertebral segments means 22844. While coding, just check for type of the approaches like posterior, anterior or intervertebral, and if it is a segmented or non-segmental instrumentation. And do not append 62 modifier, 50 modifier and 51 modifier with these codes.
We'll see the scenario now. Here the patient is coming with degenerative disc disease and the surgeon done orthodesis of L4 to S1 and used bone graft of morcellized type, and he also given instrumentation like pedicel screw fixation. Here we need to check for orthodesis, bone grafting and spinal instrumentation. So for orthodesis need to code 22612 and 22614. For grafting we have to take the code 20937, and for instrumentation we have to take the code 22842. And that's all for today.
Yes, if you want to upgrade your career in orthopedic surgery, coding, there is a certification for that, which is COSE. You can visit ThoughtFlow's website or nearby branches to do the same and to know more details. You can learn anything from home with ThoughtFlows. Apart from that, ThoughtFlows designs various certifications and specialty courses like evolution management, emergency department, inpatient coding, general surgery, interventional radiology and cardiovascular, cardiovascular and thoracic surgery, anesthesia and pain management, like that. For more updates and videos, please subscribe to our channel, and if you want to do specific concepts, please give your comments in comment section. Thank you so much, and we'll meet in the next session. Till that, take care. Bye bye.